Hi friends, today we will learn daily use sentences. Are you ready friends? Let's start.
I am happy.
I am happy.
I am sad.
I am sad.
I am tired.
I am tired.
I am hungry.
I am hungry.
I am thirsty.
I am thirsty.
I am cold.
I am cold.
I am hot.
I am hot.
I am ready.
I am ready.
I am here.
I am here.
I am at school.
I am at school.
I am a student.
I am a student.
I am a teacher.
I am a teacher.
I am a doctor.
I am a doctor. Yeah.
I am a child.
I am a child.
I am a teenager.
I am a teenager.
I am an adult.
I am an adult.
I am old.
I am old.
I am tall.
I am tall.
I am short.
I am short.
I am strong.
I am strong.
I am weak.
I am weak.
I am fast.
I am fast.
I am slow.
I am slow.
I am learning.
I am learning.
I am playing.
I am playing.
I am working.
I am working.
I am resting.
I am resting.
I am sleeping.
I am sleeping.
I am awake.
I am awake.
I am running.
I am running.
I am walking.
I am walking.
I am talking.
I am talking.
I am listening.
I am listening.
I am reading.
I am reading.
I am writing.
I am writing. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.